field. DeShields tracks it down 2 away. Well, a guy who's been missing these first few weeks, who will be back 2 weeks from tomorrow, Aroldis Chapman, with his spectacular success in Cincinnati, 30-plus saves each of the last 4 years. The earned run average, huge. Look at the strikeout total, 546 in 319 innings. Suspended with the new amended MLB domestic violence policy, 30 games at the start of the year. He is a free agent at the end of this season. And who knows, maybe part of the idea, making him the closer, you get him those saves, keep him happy, maybe keep him around. Hop up to short, Andres has it. Diekman pitches a scoreless 8th inning. Well, we'll see what Joe Girardi wants to do with Eovaldi in the bullpen. The Yankees lead 3-0.
Turbocharged EcoBoost engines merge exhilarating power with great fuel efficiency. While new voice-activated Sync 3 keeps you connected with an easy-to-use design. And even when your hands are full,